In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete chat in Zoho Mail. If you've ever sent a message you wish you could take back or simply want to do some digital housekeeping, understanding how to delete your chats in Zoho Mail can be quite handy. We'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you feel confident managing your chat history. Let's dive into it. First, let's get started by opening Zoho Mail. For this, you can go directly to your preferred web browser and type in mail.zoho.com. Once you've logged into your account, you're greeted with Zoho Mail's interface, which is where this journey begins. Next, you'll need to locate the chat feature within Zoho Mail, which is powered by Zoho Click. Look toward the bottom right corner of your screen, or you might find it in the sidebar depending on your settings or recent updates. You'll notice a chat icon there. Go ahead and click that icon, which will then prompt the Zoho Click window to open, presenting you with your recent conversations and contacts. Now let's say there's a particular conversation in which you need to delete some messages. Head over to that specific conversation. You will find your list of conversations in the Zoho Click interface, so scroll through and select the one you're interested in modifying. With the conversation open, you need to locate the specific message you intend to delete. This is an important step, as Zoho Mail doesn't delete entire conversation threads in one go. Rather, you can only delete individual messages that you have sent. As you hover over the message you want to delete, you'll see a few options pop up. What you're looking for is the More option, usually represented by 3 vertical dots or ellipses, also known as the Overflow menu. Click on this option. After clicking on the More icon, a small menu will expand, giving you several options for that particular message. One of the options here will be Delete. Select Delete, and the system will handle the rest for you, removing that message from the chat. Do keep in mind that this action will only delete the message from your view. It doesn't erase the message from the entire thread, so other participants will still see their versions of the chat. This feature allows you to manage your digital footprint more effectively while maintaining an organized and clutter-free chat environment. And there you have it. You now know how to delete chat messages in Zoho Mail, a simple yet powerful tool to keep your chat interactions neat and tidy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in our next video.